Hey everyone, welcome back to the Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So today we continue our work with this coat. In the last video I showed you a detailed construction of the bottom band and back of the product. Today you will learn how to build off-shoulder sleeve. In doing so, I will show you a quick method. We will build the sleeve along the back that we modeled in the previous video. You will see how to properly work with the armhole to achieve an easy fit while avoiding the baggy look. It is important that the sleeve does not repeat the armhole to the nearest millimeter. Let's begin. We are looking at the pattern. We will build the sleeve along the back. We remove the bottom band. We need tracing paper, curve up in half. Here is the fold and I will draw a line along this fold. First, I will draw with a pencil because I will be correcting some points in future. The fold is the center of the sleeve. I want to mark the lines. The video today won't be as long as the past, but I hope this topic is interesting to you. Pay special attention to the beauty of the lines. There is less beauty in the world than we want, so we will create it for ourselves. Well, let's look at the tracing paper. A piece curved up in half. Here is the line, and I am not applying perpendicular. We apply to the fold, the upper point of the shoulder, so that here it turns out 10 to 12 millimeters from the fold to the beginning of the point. I hope I explained everything clearly. Now I will explain why this is for. This is necessary for the fit to be in the sleeve. Otherwise, the sleeves will be small and it will be contract. Sleeve fit is lightweight. You can't make a sleeve so that it exactly repeats the armhole. I circled the armhole. And this is the point. Now you don't understand why we do it on the back, but in the end you will understand the thought process. Now I have circled this point. This is point TC, the top of the sleeve. Now I curve up this point by 3. I have 27, which means I put 9 on top. Here is the sleeve. It starts from here and to this point it leads the opposite line. Now I measure my sleeve length from this point. This is the beginning of the sleeve. 49. Bottom width 34. Why did I take 34 here? I want the sleeve to be loose. This line should look like a sleeve, but it doesn't have to be a copy. This is exactly what will not make our jacket a bag. Let's move on. Now we raise this point by 1 centimeter. The line should be beautiful. I'm now trying very hard to make the line beautiful. I'm trying my best, and you must try too. See what I did? By the way, I didn't prepare in advance. We shoot everything at once with my team. What did surprise me in the first coat? We need this line. I drew it to navigate along it. In 2016, I was surprised that everyone looked at how to make a coat, but no one looked at how to build a sleeve. Maybe people didn't understand the importance of this video. Everything should be beautiful, and now I like it. We know this point and this point. We have to build a beautiful O-cut. If you have any corners left in this place, you should make this line more beautiful. We need to check if the width is enough for us. Check for yourself. I have enough. Now I am expanding it. I really like my sleeve. We need to try to make it less narrow. It should be wide enough here. When I cut, I will add here. Now I write to the back to the bottom band. And in this round place I put a line. Put aside 1.5 centimeters, and it turns out without corners. From this point to this point I have a depth of 2.5 centimeters. And here a little more than 1 centimeter. Apply a ruler and check for yourself. Here by 2.5 centimeters, here 12 millimeters. This is how we built the sleeve. It can be built in any width. The more we make dart during the construction of the bottom band, here it will turn out to be 3 centimeters deeper. You can do more if you want. But then the sleeve will take on a different shape. We built a sleeve from the armhole. We can build a similar cut from 10 measurement cutting system. We have a bottom band, a back and a sleeve in our folder. I can cut anything for myself at any moment. In the next video we will try on the future gorgeous jacket. That's it for today. Be different and beautiful. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and bell buttons. We would really appreciate your support. Thank you so much for watching and we will see you in our next one. Bye!